Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Hello, everyone. Good morning, classmates. Good morning, friends, wherever you are in this world. Good morning is either it's morning, good day, good afternoon, or good evening. So I am Pranin K, currently residing in Australia, but actually from the Philippines. So I am so happy to inform you at the moment that I doubled my 10,000 account, my 10,000 demo account after many months trying to double it. But I did it. It's doable. I did it. Really so happy. I thought I will not be able to do it, but I did it. Thank you. Thank you, Sir Greg. Thank you, classmates, who are ever willing to help us. So I doubled my account 2 days in a row. For the first day, I gained 101%, and for the second day, I did 168%. So if that is a live trading, I should have made big money. I did it. It is doable. So my experiences when I was in stage 2 is I was trained, I was molded, and I was disciplined. Actually, this is an experience while I am in the Elite Traders University under the leadership of Dr. Greg McLeod. So thank you very much. So I think the strategy being taught in our university, the Elite Traders University, is simple to follow, but it all depends on the students. So as for my case, I had not been following my plans. I do my plans, but I did not follow it. I did not put lines. I did not put numbers. I just do what I want to do. I was hard-headed. That's why it made me many months to double my account. It was only when I went for a 5 weeks holiday in our home country, the Philippines. And while I was having my holiday in the Philippines, I really promised to myself, I told to myself that, Pranin, when you go back, you really have to do the right thing. You have to do your plan, follow it daily, step by step. Do not just do what you want to do. So when I came back, I really did my plan. I made my plan and I followed it day by day. I put lines on my charts. I put numbers on my charts and followed the instructions of my teacher or my instructor, Sir Greg, and followed the advices of my classmates who are in stage 2 and stage 3. And then after a few weeks, here I am. I doubled my account. It is doable. Let us do it, classmates. So classmates, especially those who are still in stage 1, this is doable. Let's do it. Together, we will do it. Just follow the instructions written in our ebook, instructions given by our coach, Sir Greg, and advices given by our classmates who are in stage 2 and stage 3, who are ever willing to help us, or ever willing to answer our questions whenever we needed them. So thank you, Sir Greg. Thank you, classmates. And let's do it. It's doable. Let's do it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. Thank you, and God bless everyone. Bye for now.
Hi, wasn't that an awesome testimony? I tell you, the results that my students get from just a short time that they work with me is truly incredible, and I'm so proud of the hard work that they do. And that should be good news for you, because if you can imagine yourself being able to work with me on an ongoing basis to help you get results that you're looking for. So you'll be more confident in your trades, make more consistently profitable trades, and shorten your learning curve. Then I invite you to click the link and actually register for a strategy call with a member of my team. We have traders and coaches available to talk to you to offer you a free breakthrough strategy call so you can get clarity on the next steps to your Forex success. It's all about success. Everything rotates around success. If you're not successful in trading, then why trade? And you have seen the results that I get pound for pound, more testimonies, winning testimonies of students than any other instructor out there. And so any time that you wait, the longer you wait, the more you lose. You lose out on the opportunity of reaching your full potential and having the success that you're looking for. So make sure you link, book a time, have an open mind to being successful in trading. This is Dr. Greg McLeod signing out. Happy trading, peace and pips. Cheers.
If you felt a spark here and want to see how these principles can be used in your own trading, go to www.elitetradersuniversity.com/apply to book a free session with our team. We have helped hundreds of people remove the frustration and obstacles in trading to become consistent, highly profitable traders. These are proven principles that just work. Happy pipping!